Good morning students. Welcome to the online lecture of class 3 English. So students, as we know, we have discussed the unit 4 and we have discussed this rabbit plays a prank. So as we know, let's brief. As we know, two biggest creatures, one of land and one of sea, were talking about their physical characteristics and Mr. Rabbit was passing by. So he decided to play a prank. So by looking at this story, let's start activity fourth, which is find the sentences with the following phrase from the story. Guess their meanings, then match A with B. Basically, students, we have to just look at the line or the words which will be coming in a sentence. So basically, play a prank. We have to look at the story that in which line this is coming. So students, let's start. So students, here we came up with activity fourth. So as we know, play a prank means play a prank. Who decided to play a prank? Play a prank. So he decided to play a prank. Mr. Rabbit wanted to play or have some fun with both of Mr. Whale and Mr. Elephant. So he decided to play a prank. So students, you can see play a prank is coming in this sentence of the story. With all his might. As we know students, we discussed the story and in that we have seen both Mr. Elephant and Mr. Whale were trying with all might that they both pull each other so that they can take out the cow which is not even present in the actual life because it was a prank by Mr. Rabbit. So with all his might, who pulled with all his might? Mr. Elephant, exactly. So he pulled with all his might and up came Mr. Whale out of the water. So Mr. Elephant pulled very hard with all his might and the Mr. Whale came out of the water. Have some fun. Have some fun. You can memorize students that by looking at have some fun. In the first paragraph itself, we seen that who wanted some fun? Mr. Rabbit. He wanted to have some fun. So here we are. By this, we are completing our activity 4. Now we are heading towards activity 5th. So students, activity 5th. What happened when write numbers 1 to 8 in the space as they occur in the story? So students, Mr. Rabbit asked for help to Mr. Elephant and Mr. Rabbit. So by looking at this, we can clearly see that the first one is Mr. Elephant and Mr. Whale talking about their size. And the second thing, Mr. Rabbit was passing by asked for help to Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Whale. Mr. Elephant and Mr. Whale. Sorry. So now we are going to the sequence. The third one is Mr. Rabbit tied one end of the rope around Mr. Whale. And also he tied another end of the rope around Mr. Elephant's trunk. Fifth, Mr. Rabbit ran into the bushes and beat the drum. By beating the drum, as we know that Mr. Whale and Mr. Elephant both doing their work, both pulling very hard. So sixth, Mr. Whale and Mr. Elephant pulled each other with all their strength. Seventh, Mr. Elephant fell over backward and Mr. Whale turned over in the air. The last one, Mr. Rabbit laughed a lot on seeing them fallen. So as we can see, by keeping in the sequence from 1 to 8, students, we have completed the whole story in a brief. So hereby we have also completed the activity 5th A. Now we are completing the activity 5th, which is part B. Answer the following questions. This is very important activity, students. by looking at the test scenario or by looking at the final exam, answer the following questions of each and every chapter are very much important. So let's discuss this also. What are the special characteristics of the animals of this story? Mr. Rabbit is very tiny creature. Mr. Elephant is biggest creature but of land. And Mr. Whale is also biggest creature but in sea. So these are the special creature characteristics we can say. Why did the rabbit play a prank? Because as he heard two biggest creatures talking about their physical characteristics, like Mr. Elephant is the biggest creature of land, he was talking about his physical characteristics, and similarly Mr. Whale was talking about his physical characteristics. So our Mr. Rabbit decided to play a prank. Now we are heading towards the third question. Did Mr. Rabbit really have a cow? No, students. As we know, Mr. Rabbit didn't have a cow, but he decided to play a prank. So he was just bluffing, or he was just playing with both the biggest creatures, one of land and one of sea, by telling a story that he is having a cow. But in real, Mr. Rabbit was not having a cow. Fourth question. What happened when they pull each other? They fell over because we know that Mr. Elephant and Mr. Whale both with all his strength pulled hard and hard, very much pulled hard. But by Mr. Elephant pulling very hard, the Mr. Whale came out of the sea, and by Mr. Whale coming out of the sea, Mr. Elephant just gone backward and fall on the land. So they both fell over. Who was the strongest? Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Whale, or Mr. Elephant? As we can see, students, both the biggest creatures were just talking about their physical characteristics. But Mr. Rabbit played a prank. He played and he laughed and he just won, because by playing the prank of his having a cow, Mr. Rabbit played with both the creatures and they both fell over. Mr. Whale just came out of the sea and Mr. Elephant fall on the land. So here we can say the strongest is Mr. Rabbit. So hereby we are completing till activity 5th of unit 4. Thank you, students.